Hi.
Hello.
Hi, so we just had our wedding here at Stala, Quezon City branch. So we had a fun experience. So from the start, from the preparations, the coordinators are kind and accommodating, especially to Sir Erwin and Ma'am Kim. Yan. Sobrang supportive nila din sa pag-aasikaso. Overall experience, 9 out of 10. May mga konting flaws pero nagawa naman ng paraan with the help of our coordinators. And then yeah, may recommend namin siya to our friends na mag-celebrate ng mga special events nila. Yun.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for Sir Edwin. Sobrang hands-on siya sa event. And nagka-problema man na gawan pa rin niya ng paraan. Sobrang grabe yung effort niya. Tumiski yung sobra. Sobrang thank you